Ever notice how your laptop has USB ports in a rainbow of colors? It's not just for looks, it's actually a secret code that tells you exactly what each port can do. And if you've ever frantically searched for the right one, you're about to learn why. Back in the day when USB ports were still figuring out how to be useful, white was the go-to color. It introduced hot plugging, meaning you could unplug and replug without crashing your system, and it supported a wild variety of devices, from keyboards to early MP3 players. But here's the catch, it was painfully slow, like dial-up internet but for data transfer. And that's where blue steps in, USB 3, with speeds that could make your head spin at 5 gigabits per second. Ready to see the real difference? Now let's talk about teal. This isn't just a cool shade for your laptop, it's USB 3.1 Gen 2, hitting speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. That's not just faster, it's the difference between watching a video in real time and waiting for it to buffer like you're still on dial-up. And then there's red or yellow. These are your powerhouse ports. They don't just charge your phone when it's awake, they keep feeding power even when your device is asleep. Look for inconsistencies, like mismatched symbols or vague marketing terms, and always check the official USB certification logos. Don't get tricked into thinking your port is faster than it really is. Let's fast forward a bit because the evolution of USB ports isn't stopping here. With Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 on the horizon, we're looking at speeds that redefine instant. Imagine plugging in a device and instantly streaming 8,000 video without a hitch or powering high-performance gadgets with minimal heat. It's not sci-fi, it's